Searching for a sizzling custom that mixes proven mechanicals with neck-snapping appeal? Congratulations! You found your next classic. Sealed in a superb shade of red 2-stage, this authentic Bel Air is the beneficiary of a body-off nut and bolt restoration that's both clean and precise. That detailed rebuild massaged the car's enticing sedan profile into literal feat of show-worthy surfacing. And today, the Chevy rolls as a fully sorted cruiser that mixes polished tradition with rich customization. And at the corners, polished billet specialties, stilettos, spin 225 40 ZR18 Sumitomo HTR Zills, in front of 275 40 R20 Nexen Rhodian HPs. Enact this Chevy's coated hood supports and you'll find 5.7 liters of proven GM small block that spins smooth horsepower into miles of open road reliability. That choice motor twists a tough Tremec 6-speed, which spins a proven Data 44 differential. That unconventional pumpkin pushes a fully aftermarket chassis, which rides a full 4th-gen Corvette suspension. Turns come courtesy of power rack and pinion steering. Quick stops are a cinch thanks to power-assisted discs. Between the doors, broad bench seats, which recline for the comfort of the car's driver and front passenger, feature supple silver pipe tides. Beneath those seats, fade-free carpet frames a red-trimmed Hurst shifter. A curvaceous dash hangs hardware for vintage air climate control beneath clean Dakota Digital VHX telemetry and retro sound direct-fit audio. And the driver spins a bowtie branded Billet Specialties Vintech wheel around a polished tilting column. Unique, lust-worthy, and ready to cruise, this Bel Air is an excellent combination of classic street rod looks and proven Resto-Mod performance. Call, click, or visit rkmotors.com for more information.